Everyone has been through some kind of heartbreak at least once in their life. And we know it's never easy. Although there's no magic formula to mend a broken heart, there are a few things you can do to help you move on. Start by listing out the reasons it didn't work between you. Remember the parts of the relationship you didn't enjoy and how you should search for something that makes you 100% happy. Chances are that even though it doesn't feel like it now, you'll be better off without them in the future. It may seem like an overreaction, but removing your ex from social media is extremely important in the journey of moving on. This way, you won't be unexpectedly confronted by details of their life without you on Facebook or Instagram, and it will give you the chance to heal. Cleansing your life of physical reminders of them is just as important as a social media cleanse. Get rid of mementos and small gifts or cards by either throwing them out or stash them away in a place you won't look until you feel better about the situation. Cry it out. It's healthier for you to not keep your emotions bottled up, and it's absolutely okay to bawl your eyes out until you've run out of tears. This will help release some of the negative energy and allow you to begin to move forward. Treat yourself to something you love. Buy yourself that indulgent treat or those shoes that you've had your eye on. Rewarding yourself with something small will boost your mood and give you something to be excited about. It's a well-known joke that women tend to make drastic changes to their hair right after a breakup. This comes from the need to take control of something in your life. Instead of dyeing your hair pink or chopping it off, try something small like rearranging your room or buying an outfit that's a little bit outside of your comfort zone. Distract yourself with other things. Throw yourself into your work or take on a new project and learn something new. Remember that it's important to express how you're feeling instead of keeping it inside. You will never be burdening your friends by talking about how you feel with them. So get some outside perspective and some sympathy too. It's also okay to lean on your friends and family for emotional support when you're feeling down. After talking about what you're going through, tell them what you need. It might be that they should call you to chat and check up on you, or just to drag you out of the house on the weekend to leave your bubble and hang out. Finally, use what you've learned from your experience to give back to others. If you have a friend going through a hard time or a breakup as well, be there for each other and keep each other positive. It can feel rewarding to help someone else and will make you feel better too. We hope these tips help you step forward from the raw heartbreak you might have experienced, and if not, then share them with a friend to let them know that you've got their back. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.